Yo, I am pissed. Are you?
You might call Kenneth Ward a Cleveland sports fan gone wild. He's mad at the Browns, the Indians, and yes, the Cavs too, even though they're in the playoffs.
I have a bad feeling about this, but that's when I came up with this challenge.
Aren't you just being negative?
No, not really. No, not negative. I'm just speaking my opinion, that's all.
Something snapped 2 years ago as the season ticket holder watched another Browns game that went bad.
I finally got a little upset that it's been 60 years, 44 years, and never that we've had a championship title here in Cleveland. I got tired of hearing the old cliche, well, there's always next year.
So Ken created a website to reach out to other PO'd fans.
IamPissed.com.
The website is spelled a little differently than you would expect.
They wouldn't accept the PISSED version on the name.com, so I had to acronym it, and I came up with the IamPYST.
Apparently, Anger likes company because .com apparently has taken off, but Ken says there is a chance that he'll end his streak of negativity.
If the Cavs win, the site comes down.
I'll give up selling negativity, derogatory articles, novelty items, apparel for them, and therefore losing hundreds of thousands of dollars.
But until the Cavs go all the way, Ward will remain a disgruntled Cleveland fan who is PO'd.
I am pissed. Are you?
In Cleveland, Denise Zarella, 19 Action News.